Hi guys, my name is Roger, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to do the following. I'm going to replace the screen of my MV. Is it necessary? No, it's not necessary at all because the screen is still perfect. But I receive a lot of questions from people regarding replacing the screen. And I searched on eBay and I found this one for $50. So reason enough for me to buy this one and to give it a try. Because the issue is that in the service notes of the Roland MV8800 they say you need part number XXXX whatsoever, and then the last 3 digits are A03, and this one is the same part number but the last 3 digits are different. So yeah, people are scared to buy it, and I must admit I'm going to replace it and perhaps it will not work. Anyway, let's give it a try. Regarding users of the MV8000, yeah, I don't have the 8000, I have the 8800. So I don't know if I know there are screens available, but I cannot test them. So that's up to you to do it yourself. Let me stop the music now because we already know this beat. Right, I'm going to open the package right now. I've got this iFixit. No, and I'm not sponsored by iFixit at all, but I got this iFixit toolkit and I love to use it because it's a very complete kit. Small kit, but it has for me the right tools to open up my equipment. But in this case, first I need to open up the packaging. And guys, yes, it's the first time that I'm opening it. It's new for me, it's new for you. I hope everything will be okay, because if not, then I will have a serious problem coming Sunday. Okay, this is the screen. It's well packed. Let me open it. A21. Okay. Great. Let me first shut down. Are you sure? Yes, and I will save it because I'm preparing also the live show for coming Sunday. So now this time it would have been better to do some talking right now, because I'm saving now the song and also the PixJam. So you know what? Let's do a cut right now. Okay, so the unit is off, and normally you have to unscrew 2 screws, but in my case, because of the screen lift module still not done yet, there's no need to unscrew those 2 screws. So we see over here the back of the screen. Wait a minute. Everything all right? Okay, so the screen over there looks the same, and I have to detach it right now. Okay, let me detach it. I think I only need to detach this one. Yes, of course, because this one will stay on the PCB. Then I only have to lift this one up. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use some plastic over here, like this. This part is detached. Then, oh, I can immediately take off this part. And then I have, okay, just like this. It really looks the same. This one off. Now, this is a special casing, I notice. Very easy. All right. So, to show you the differences between the screens, the part number is almost the same, just the A21 and the A03. So let's give it a try.
well, first I will do it without. Let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try. So yes, the screen works like that. So very simple, guys, very simple change of replacing the screen. So another video, guys. It looks good, I must admit. It looks very, very nice. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Okay, guys, so you can order those screens on eBay without any problem because it will work on your MV8800. Thank you for watching, and we see each other next time. Have a good one. Bye bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.